Free Blender add-ons are here. A collection of fine essential tools, geometry nodes, and shader-based systems to take your work into far more easier approach. We've been sharing free add-ons on this channel for years, and most of them still dope, so check the links down below. At number 1, we have the Basify, a free add-on to help you create bas reliefs using depth maps and 3D models all inside Blender. The tool is available on Gumroad for free, so use the link in the description to get to the page. You can from here explore the functions displayed to get the feeling of what this do. It's like a dope add-on if you work with CNC stuff, and getting it is easy. Just drop a 0 at the price or donate if you want, and you will get it from this page. Those are 3 versions, so pick the latest one. Then, if we go to Blender, we can install it as usual from the preferences, and once you've done that, a sort of canvas will appear in the viewport, and the settings are at the right panel. So, make a new dynamic relief. Explore the available tabs in here. You can use any depth map to project it on this canvas, or even use any mesh from inside Blender or by importing it. Then, a set of tabs to play with the resolution and smoothness of the model. It's super easy to work with, so give it a try if you're into this. Second in line, we have the AutoCam add-on, one of the best free tool out there to simplify cam's animation in Blender. The tool is there on Gumroad for free, so you can jump there and grab it with consent, of course. Don't be weird about it. And you have a full video exploring the use of it if you feel overwhelmed, which you won't. Because if you just download the tool and install it in Blender as a normal human, a DAS Auto Camera tab will be on the side panel, so see how easy it is. I can select the camera, hit start recording, move with the WASD keys as if in a game, and once I'm done, I just need to turn of this red button. No need to adjust the frame number in the scene, and you don't need to worry about restarting the timeline and replacing the keys you made. Hitting this Generate Curve button will show the camera path as a curve so you can see how rough it is. And the camera rig is there to add empties for you to control the camera direction and focal. The tolerance is there to smooth the ugly animation we have, so increase the value a bit and hit Apply Path Settings. Above all that, the path is now a simple curve, so playing with it in edit mode will give a full control on how the camera animation will go. So have fun, mate. Third tool we have on this video is both essential and dope, yet simple. Because you see, if we go into Blender and have a model or mesh with modifiers, then we went into adding some shape keys on it. And then remember that I need to apply the modifier. Blender won't allow that. And that's why this tool is here for the rescue. It's free on Gumroad, so get it from here, and the download file in compression format. But don't try to install that. What you need to do is open the zip file and extract the .py file. Now if we have modifiers over the shape keys, we can hit F3 to search for the Apply Modifiers tool. Pick the modifiers we want, since if we have more than one, it will be a list of them. Then apply with one click. The Simplify Plus add-on is a free tool to improve the 3D viewport experience in Blender, so you can work happier, feel better, and do things faster. This one falls under the free edition set of tools, so when you go to Gumroad, you will have both free and paid options. And of course, the paid version will have much more to offer. I tried the free tier, and I can tell you it's awesome. Since in many cases when we work on projects, you will have a delay in the viewport animation frame rate, and that's up to how many things there are and what modifiers or systems you drop on the models. But with this tool, controlling all that and seeing where the problem is done easily and in one place. So get it from the page, install it in Blender, hit the reload button to see which modifier or particle system is causing the delay in the viewport. Then, just turn it on in the viewport, and that won't affect your final render, so everything will be displayed there. You can also control the subs in the scene and the max particle display, and that will make it smooth in viewing the animation you have without cursing every 2 seconds. The paid version do offer much more than this, and I have no affiliations with any add-ons here in this video, so have it your way. Coming up in this list is the Blender Ready Hair System, a geometry nodes-based system to make it easy for you to do hairs on your models. This one also falls under the many tiers tools, so you can go with the free limited download to experience it. It's also explained how to go about adding it on your models. If you're someone like me who don't know anything about making hair, and the geometry nodes are well put into frames so you will know what things do and what to play with, they're tagged and nicely displayed. I can try it on Suzanne. We just need to add on it a curve empty hair, then jump to sculpting to add some. After that, and once we downloaded the blend file from Gumroad, we can append the geometry node tree to switch it in the modifiers, and the rest is up to you to explore. At number 6, we have a free Procedural Clouds shader to make clouds. It's a one node to make different kind of clouds with ease and make them suit your scene. Not much to see here. It's a must. If you do many exterior scenes, clouds do add a puff to any scene, and making them is a pain. So having this file for free won't harm because you will need it one way or another. Just make sure you have the right version to run this or any other add-on. So make sure to check the download page. Last but not least, we have the Reaction Diffusion, a Blender geometry nodes to run and visualize reaction diffusion simulations. The free version do offer a limited view on this amazing sims, but I think it's more than enough to appreciate and take a deep look on how this made, cause the nodes are made easy for anyone to play with them. You can read all about it in the page before downloading the available blend file. Then you can go and have fun with it. That's it. Do like and sub before you hop into another video, and tell your grandpa about this. He's sure gonna like some carving. Stay sharp. Goodbye.